Does NightLase really work for snoring?
The answer is yes. NightLase uses gentle laser energy to tighten and strengthen the tissues in your airway. This helps reduce vibration, which is the main cause of snoring. Many patients notice improvement after just the first session, with results getting better over time. At Fountain of Youth Dental in San Antonio, NightLase is a simple, non-invasive way to help you and your loved ones sleep more peacefully. Call 210-614-5481 or visit us at 5282 Medical Doctor number 520 San Antonio TX 78229 to start your path to better sleep.